Creature Cuties. Be yourself, be unique, be awesome.
Hi everyone, it's Peanut, and today I'm back with another Animal Jam video. So, I got another Animal Jam account for YouTube, so you can add me as your buddy. My username is Creature Cuties, but right now it's New Jammer. So when it gets changed over to my other name, you guys can definitely add me as your buddy. So I'm in my den right now and it's feeling a little plain, so I'm going to grab some furniture and make this place pretty. So I now have stuff in my den. So I have a couch, a rug, and table, as well as this blue sky wallpaper. And I'm not sure if I'm going to get a membership or not. I think I'm going to do that on my other account than anything to do with memberships. I'll do on that account like membership videos. So I'm gonna go shop for me, so let's go shopping. I think I'm gonna get this necklace. And I'm gonna get a tiara. I think I'll go with the regular color. And what else do we got? I think I'm going to buy, I'm gonna buy these wings, and I think that's gonna be my color. Yay! So now we are all dressed and ready to go out and explore. So I already have one of my friends, sorry my voice, which is the Emerald Candy. So the Emerald Candy is one of my subscribers and I subscribe to her too. She is a really cool YouTuber. I love their channel. It's super fun. So go check their channel out. And so I think we're going to go to her den. So right here is her, the Emerald Candy, and she's a really cool YouTuber. And she posted a video yesterday on Animal Jam, and I added her. So this is not her den, it's one of her friends. And it's really cool and awesome. So let's go to her den. So her den is Peck's den. This is really cool. Awesome. I love it. Okay, so really go check her channel out. Sorry about the background noise. That is my bunny. So the Emerald Candy is a really nice kid-friendly channel. And again, go check them out. So now I think I'm gonna pick my smoothie. So I like strawberries, so I'm gonna pick strawberries. Okay, so we have to fill our cup with strawberries. Strawberries. There's strawberry. There's strawberry. Got the strawberries. Yay! So now we have a smoothie in our hand. And we'll go up. Ooh, bouncy jump. And I have this same den on my other account. And if you guys want to see how I decorated, get this video to at least 5 likes. It's really cool. So now I think we're gonna see what party there is. There's Atlantis party. I think I'm going to go play some games. So, which game should I play? I think I'm gonna play the one in Serpia Forest. So, I'm here. Oh, you can adopt a hamster. Okay, so I'm gonna adopt a hamster. So I'm gonna take my hamster, and I think I want it, let's pick a design. That one, that nose, I want it to be very fluffy, so I'm gonna pick that one. Pattern, I want those. Or maybe that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna pick I'm gonna pick this color combo. And maybe I'll change my pattern. That's better. I like that one better. Okay. So, next, I'm gonna name her, Honey. Let's see, Honey. Plum, Honey Paw. Okay, adopt this pet. Yes. Yay, achievement. So I'm gonna play this game, and it's actually double gems. I did not know that. So, yay. So we're playing Wind Rider. Single player. And I'll be on this for a while, so you guys can come and join me. And a cool thing about this game is that if you do not get zapped by a phantom, then you get extra coins at the bottom on the left side. I keep getting zapped, but that's because I have a camera in one hand and I'm trying to do this in the other hand. Was I showing my wall? Ooh. Okay, it's got 4 gems. And I'm gonna go try this game without the camera and see how many gems I get once I fall. Okay. So I got a total of 5 gems, and since it's times 2 gem bonus, you get 10 gems. So if you get 20, then times 2 is 40. So close. So I got 59 gems, which is really cool. So then exit, and we have times 2 is 118 coins. I mean gems. I keep on calling them coins. So, let's go see what else we have here. So, when this video gets posted, hopefully I will still be on. So, here we are in Mount Shiver, and I'm going to do my journey book. So, I've completed my whole journey book. Sure. I've completed my whole journey book on my other account. Let me turn that down. So now I'm gonna complete it on here. So let's get some gold. Gold has been prized among civilizations since the ancient times. Gold is one of the easier metals to form and was often used by ancient civilization to make jewelry. Since gold is such a soft metal, copper is sometimes added to make it harder. Nice. Well, these are so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna just get them yak. And this is a really cool feature that you can do as a non-member. And juniper, Himalayan poppy, and let's see what else we need. We need these stuff. So I'm gonna go find the rest and be right back. So I found a red panda. Red pandas are also called lesser pandas and fire foxes. In the past, scientists have identified that red pandas as relative to both giant pandas and raccoons. Red pandas weigh about 8 pounds and are about 23 inches long. Their bushy, rigged tails are almost as long as their bodies. And I love the Animal Jam version. It's so cute. I love it. And red pandas are like my, let's see, third favorite animal. Fourth, maybe. I'm not sure. So let me go finish it. So I found the Himalayan tar. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And it's really tiny, so like it's really hard to see. It starts off over here at the edge and it jumps up, which is really cool. So this is a little notification that says, "Hey jammers, how many jammers can you fit in a Pollendale's mud pit? Gather your buddies and try to break the record. Then submit a jammer snap of the muddy fun." So here is everyone, and it's so cool. There's so many people here. I'm going to just scoot over here and dance. Woo! There I am. I'm covered in mud. I'm so messy right now. Awesome. It's really cool, and I hope someone can take a picture of this because I can't right now. I'm using my phone to record, so I'm not using it right now. So I'm going to play another game before I go for this video. I'm going to play the claw. So, nothing. So I'm going to play until I get one. So I got something. It's a fox plushie. I'll definitely put it in my den. I know. So, if you guys are wondering when I will be on again, I'm going to hopefully be on tomorrow because I do not have any more school. I'm on summer break. So I'm going to be on tomorrow, maybe at like, I don't know, let me think, around 8-ish. So 8-ish my time. So that's kind of when I'll be on. But once this video is posted, I'll still be on Animal Jam. So please like, comment, and subscribe to Creature Cuties so you never miss any Animal Jam or Shopkins and other toy reviews. Thank you so much for watching this video and for being here this long. So see you in my next Animal Jam video. Bye guys!